Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow free moves on the Chess.com app with the phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chess app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, at the bottom, tap on More. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Play and tap on it. Now tap on Live Chess. This is where you can control your game options. In the Live Chess settings, find the option called Pre-Move. If the switch is gray, it's off. Tap the switch so it's turned green. That means pre-moves are now allowed. Now when you are playing, you can just tap your piece and move it to a square before your opponents make their move. A little ghost outline will appear showing your pre-move. When your opponent plays, your move will happen right away. If you change your mind, just tap anywhere on the board your opponent plays and the pre-move will disappear. And that's it. That's how you allow pre-moves on Chess.com app using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.